Now is the science revision quiz on water and its changes in states. So when you see a question, pause the video, try and answer it, then play the video again, and the answer will be revealed. So let's begin. How many states can water exist in? Water can exist in 3 states. What are the 3 states that water can exist in? It can exist in solid form, ice and snow, liquid, dew, examples being dew or mist, and gaseous form, like water vapor or steam. When is steam produced? It is produced when water boils. At what temperature does water boil? Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. When is water vapor produced? Water vapor is produced when water evaporates. When does water evaporate? Water evaporates at any temperature between 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius. What affects the rate of evaporation? The 4 items that affect the rate of evaporation are the presence of wind. The stronger the wind, the higher the rate of evaporation. The temperature of the surroundings, the higher the temperature, the higher the rate of evaporation. The surface area of the object, the wider the surface area, the higher the rate of evaporation, and the humidity of the surroundings. The more humid it is, the lower the rate of evaporation. What happens to water when it is cooled? Water loses heat to its surroundings. How does water turn into ice? The temperature of water reaches 0 degrees Celsius and water freezes and becomes a solid. At what temperature does ice melt? It melts at 0 degrees Celsius. What happens when ice melts? It turns from solid to liquid. What is condensation? Condensation happens when water vapor loses heat and becomes water droplets, a form of liquid. When does condensation occur? Condensation occurs when water vapor touches a surface that is cooler than the temperature of the water vapor. Match the process to the change in state. Melting, solid to liquid at 0 degrees Celsius. Condensation, from gas to liquid. Evaporation, from liquid to gas between 0 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius. Boiling, liquid to gas, 100 degrees Celsius. Freezing, liquid to solid at 0 degrees Celsius. Next, the water cycle. What is the water cycle? It is a continuous cycle where water moves from the Earth's surface and to the sky and back to the Earth again. Why is the water cycle important? It ensures that living things have a continuous supply of water to carry out life processes. Number the following steps according to the order in which they occur, from 2 to 6. 1 is already given to you. First step, water is heated and evaporates. 2. Water becomes water vapor and rises into the sky. 3. As water vapor gets higher, it loses heat and condenses to form small droplets. 4. The water droplets gather to form clouds. 5. The clouds rise higher to form bigger clouds. 6. When the water droplets become big and heavy, they fall to the ground during precipitation. In cold countries, they fall to the earth as hail or snow.